it going? Come here.
Hey, bud.
Nothing.
Emily, you're the new flyer.
Luke, come here. Turn around. Show us your beautiful hair wrap. Yeah. What's on there? Crystal and a feather. Yeah, it's beautiful.
And a heart.
And a heart? There, you have your heart pinned on too. That's wonderful. That's right.
Just wait. We're trying to find the draw. Party from last time.
I don't think so. What, honey? What, Georgie?
I don't understand.
What?
Where's the park going?
The park one? Which park one?
Where we went to the park?
I have it in the machine right now.
This is the one? Is that the end of the tape, Mom?
Yeah. Hey, Johnny.
Wait, no, Johnny, it's me.
Guys are all... Here we are, we're watching home
Yeah,
movies.
that's that one. Press it, press it. Yeah, good boy.
Hey, come on.
I think we went too far. Wait.
You know I'm filming you. Huh?
Oh, great, I'm picking my head. Great.
No, I'm kidding. Oh, you're smarty. Wait a minute. Now you're so close I can't see you. Here we go. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, now Lou wants to look
I got a
too.
little pose for you.
Here?
Ah!
Now Lou's filming.
Oh, watch. We're going to watch Emily Pond. What?
See?
That's yours? I thought you were your remote. I saw you holding your...
They're going to watch Emily palming now.
What was it, stay?
Are you down?
Did you find Emily?
I can see her.
Oh, it's okay. I like the way it's taped on here.
Where's Daddy? Where is he? Johnny, Johnny, what's your name, Johnny? Come here. Tell me your name. How old are you, Johnny Merson? 2? Thank you. He's in there? Okay.
Is he sleeping again?
Yeah.
Oh, Mom.
Relaxing. So, Lou, what do you think? You're going to finish those dance classes?
Yeah.
Yeah? And then what are you going to do?
And then I'm gonna...
You going to be a dancer?
No. And then I'm gonna be an ice skater when I grow up.
Oh, an ice skater. We don't have one of those in our family yet. That would be great. And then we get to come...
After all my practices,
How come you're the only guy showering?
Yeah? Are you going to get us tickets to come and watch you? You going to get tickets for the ice capades?
No, I'm gonna give you one to copy.
Okay. Oh, a ticket to copy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't talk to you then.
Okay. Little interview with Georgie. What would you like to say? What are you going to do when you grow up?
I'm gonna be a police officer.
A police officer? Why do you want to be a police officer?
I just do.
Okay, that's good. Gonna fight crime?
What?
Gonna fight crime? Yeah? What's Emily like to be with you? What do you think, Em?
I don't know. I'm going to be a Dallas Cowboy cheerleader, remember?
Oh, yes. Dallas Cowboy cheerleader. Jess? Where are you? And what would you like to be when you grow up, Jessica?
A doctor.
Oh, I like
And
that.
he wants to be
Jess.
a policeman.
A doctor? That's wonderful. And where are you going to work?
I don't know.
You go-
Hospital.
Yes?
I want fun.
You can't leave Nicole out. Nicole, what would you like to be when you grow up?
I don't know. I'm undecided. Jessica wants to be a doctor.
We're going to have 2 doctors.
2 doctors, an ice skater, a policeman. Ice skater, hey? And a cheerleader.
Yeah. Emily's going to be exotic dancer, cheerleader.
Show me, please.
I want to move that pen. I want to my hand.
Show me your dance. What's your dance?
I'm a math. I do.
Oh, you're in gymnastics?
No, I don't know. I'm in ballet.
You do that in ballet?
Yeah.
Don't you go to the ballet bar?
I'm not in.
Can I see your dance?
Okay, we'll get a cup up for that, okay?
The dance we're doing dance class. Yes, yes.
Like,
Do you see your cup over there?
Yeah.
Like where you stack there? Over here.
You can get a little bit for me.
Whose cup is this? Alright.
or you can.
Good Coke, right?
I want to get the view on stage.
Why?
Because I don't come to Minneapolis.
Let it sit down.
No,
I'm gonna give you more.
Just show me.
Okay.
No.
Don't chip
Is
on the
there
cord.
somebody come over to see the cat?
We met yesterday.
Sully?
No, park.
Yeah, it's not open on Sundays or Mondays. That
No.
sucks.
Yeah. What do you want to play? Yes, we can. Then I talk to Christina. Please.
Goldfish.
Okay. You got a 4?
Where are the children and are they all right? Right on their feet.
Mm-hmm.
The flow schoolfish
Can I
game.
borrow your card?
Please.
No.
I wonder what Lou's looking for.
You got a 10? Okay, what do you want? Yep.
Where are you? Who are you?
You got a queen.
I know what you already. I got that weird note.
Oh, she did it!
I'm gonna do it again.
Mr. Ricky's eating all the Oreo cookies in the kitchen.
I'm thinking.
I don't know how long I'm going to be there. Hopefully my clock won't break again. I may not be able to finish them. We'll see if we'll be able to finish the round we're leaving. Is that what we're waiting for? Alright, here we go now.
Just a minute.
I'm going to beat you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Emily, what are you eating?
Nothing. Shush, Emily.
Keep them close.
Don't look at her cards.
Or something.
Nicole, don't look at her
You
cards.
ready? Alright, you want to ask first?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
King.
Go fish. Oh, you can't hold on to another one. Oh. Okay. You got a 2?
Answer me.
Go fish. You got a 5? Go fish. You got a 5?